Welcome back to Archithings, your go-to destination for the best in home design ideas. Today, we're diving into a topic that blends architecture with smart, sustainable living, how thermal mass in brutalist homes helps keep modern living energy efficient. If you're fascinated by raw concrete, bold geometry, and sustainability in architecture, then you're going to love this one. Brutalism isn't just about aesthetics, it's got some clever science behind its solid walls. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment to let us know your thoughts or share your own experiences with concrete homes. Let's dive in. Brutalist architecture emerged in the mid-20th century, characterized by its unapologetic use of raw concrete, geometric forms, and monolithic structures. It's both loved and hated, but undeniably iconic. The term brutalism comes from the French phrase béton brut, meaning raw concrete. This style gained popularity for its honesty in materials and functionality, making it a favorite among architects pushing against ornamentation. Beyond the aesthetics, brutalism also brought practical innovations, especially in how buildings manage temperature and energy, thanks largely to concrete's thermal mass. Thermal mass refers to a material's ability to absorb, store, and slowly release heat. It acts like a thermal battery, stabilizing indoor temperatures by reducing fluctuations throughout the day. Concrete, stone, and brick are high in thermal mass, which is why they're so valuable in architecture designed to be energy efficient. These materials help interiors stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. In brutalist homes, where concrete is the dominant material, thermal mass is naturally integrated into the design, providing both structure and energy benefits. Imagine the sun heating the concrete walls of your home during the day. That warmth gets absorbed and then slowly released at night, keeping your home cozy without additional energy. On hot days, thermal mass can delay the rise in indoor temperatures, acting as a buffer against external heat. This gives your home a more consistent internal climate. This passive heating and cooling effect means less reliance on HVAC systems, translating to lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Concrete stands out not just for its structural properties but also for its unmatched thermal mass. It's dense, durable, and excellent at storing thermal energy. In brutalist homes, concrete isn't hidden, it's celebrated. Walls, floors, and ceilings are often left exposed, maximizing the material's thermal performance. This use of concrete is what makes brutalist architecture especially efficient in moderating indoor climates, particularly in temperate and hot regions. Thermal mass is most effective in climates with large day-night temperature differences. In these areas, concrete can absorb daytime heat and release it during cooler nights. Brutalist homes in these regions often require less artificial heating and cooling, making them both comfortable and sustainable year-round. However, in constantly cold or tropical regions, thermal mass needs to be paired with insulation and shading strategies to work optimally. Brutalist homes often incorporate passive solar design, strategic placement of windows, walls, and floors to harness the sun's energy. Concrete walls placed where they receive maximum sunlight can act as thermal banks, storing solar heat during the day and releasing it at night. By combining passive solar design with thermal mass, homeowners can drastically reduce their need for mechanical heating. Stable indoor temperatures aren't just about comfort, they're also about health. Sudden temperature swings can affect our sleep and overall well-being. Brutalist homes with strong thermal mass provide a more consistent indoor environment, reducing the chances of hot and cold spots. This creates not just a more pleasant living space, but a healthier one, especially for children, the elderly, or people with certain medical conditions. Heating and cooling account for a major chunk of household energy use. By designing with thermal mass, that burden can be significantly reduced. Brutalist homes that maximize concrete's thermal storage allow HVAC systems to work less often or at lower intensities. Over time, this results in major energy savings and fewer maintenance issues, making it a win-win for your wallet and the environment. It's important to acknowledge the environmental cost of producing concrete. It's a carbon-intensive material. But its durability and efficiency can offset that over time. When used wisely, concrete's long lifespan and energy-saving properties can lead to a smaller total environmental impact compared to short-lived or less efficient materials. Sourcing locally produced concrete and integrating recycled aggregates are ways to reduce its carbon footprint even further. Brutalism often faces criticism for being too stark or cold. But many designers are now embracing its aesthetic while softening interiors with wood, textiles, and plants. The key is understanding that the beauty of brutalism lies in its form meets function philosophy. Thermal mass isn't hidden, it's celebrated. This blend of raw material honesty and passive sustainability creates a uniquely modern and intelligent living environment. The Barbican Estate is a classic example of brutalist architecture that showcases thermal mass in action. With massive concrete structures, it holds heat well despite the UK's temperate climate. While not perfect, it demonstrates how urban housing can be dense, functional, and energy-conscious when designed with thermal mass in mind. Modern retrofits and smart interior design have made many units in the Barbican both stylish and efficient, proving Brutalism's long-term value. Today's brutalist-inspired homes don't need to be cold concrete bunkers. You can use polished or textured concrete, integrate skylights, and add warmth with interiors. Using concrete strategically, like south-facing walls and floors, maximizes thermal mass while keeping design fresh and contemporary. Pairing brutalist principles with modern tech, like radiant heating or solar panels, can create a home that's both futuristic and efficient. One myth is that concrete homes are always cold. In reality, they're only cold if not designed with passive heating and thermal mass in mind. Another myth is that they're dark or dungeon-like. Proper lighting, window placement, and finishes make a huge difference in modern designs. Concrete homes can be bright, warm, and inviting, especially when thermal mass is used thoughtfully. To get the best performance from thermal mass, proper insulation is essential. It helps trap the heat where you want it, inside your home. Insulation on the outside of concrete walls allows the thermal mass to work more efficiently by preventing heat from escaping too quickly. Many Brutalist-style homes use a sandwich wall construction, concrete, insulation, concrete, to get both mass and efficiency. Building with concrete can be more expensive upfront than timber or lightweight materials, but it pays off long-term in energy savings and durability. Thanks to lower heating and cooling costs, many homeowners see a return on investment within a decade. Plus, concrete structures require less maintenance and last longer, saving money over a home's entire life cycle. As we move toward net zero homes, passive systems like thermal mass will play a bigger role. It's not just about tech, it's about smart materials. Brutalism, once seen as outdated, is being rediscovered as a sustainable model when paired with modern design practices. Architects are now blending brutalist aesthetics with eco-conscious planning, proving that concrete can be part of the green future. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you now see how thermal mass, especially in concrete, plays a key role in energy-efficient modern living. If you're considering building or renovating, keep brutalist design and thermal mass in mind. It might just be the smartest decision you make for comfort and sustainability. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Archithings, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Until next time, stay inspired and stay sustainable.